Remove the wrapper. Then see this is the correct number or not. Then see the nomenclatures. Then the color mark. All the particulars as per the inkjet. Now removing the cover. Now the cable wire. This is USB cable. Warranty. Then the CD for the inject printer. Cartridges. There will be 2 cartridges. Now taking out the box, printer from the box. Remove the side covers. Unwrap it. Remove the tape and open the cartridge cover. That is paper inlet. Now taking out the cartridge. Remove the seal. Now inserting the cartridge. Inserting it. Hold the red portion on the top. Now take the other cartridge. Hold it the platform type and insert it. The cartridges are put now. Then close the door. Now take out the power cable. One end to the printer, where it is marked with the 2 pin and the other end to the power supply. Now take out the USB cable. One end to the printer, other end to the computer or laptop. That is USB cable. Now there is a point is there, you can mark it. Inside the box you can find the guarantee and the manual. With that one you can keep it, and you can, on connecting this by putting the CD, you can register your HP printer to the HP website.